how we milk cows. So we're going to see a milk cow. Baonjicha, the hall. So we're entering where they milk the cow. We're going to see my hi. Greet my subscribers. Your name is?
Oliver Francis.
Say hi.
Hello.
Yeah, have subscribers on YouTube. So we're going to see my friend here. What's your name?
Walter.
What?
Walter.
Walter, yes?
Yeah.
So we are going to explain to my viewers how you milk. Yes. So you have to wash the teats first. Okay. So Walter here is milking the cow. So how many liters will you get here?
3 or 2.
So 3 or 2 liters. So in a day you milk how many times?
3 times.
3 times. Oh, okay. So in a day you can get total how many liters?
8 or 9 liters
8 per day. So you see, you can get 8 or 9 liters per day from this dairy cow. So if you have like 2, you get 18 liters.
18 liters.
Okay, you can see. So I don't know if the lighting is here. So continue watching. So what breed is this? What is the breed?
Frisian.
Frisian breed.
Yeah.
Okay. So only Frisian gives dairy milk or other breeds?
And in other breeds also.
Okay. So Frisian is, you know, I did some agriculture. There's exotic and indigenous. So Frisian, where does it fall?
Hapo sijui.
So kuna ile zina mix na kuna zile inatoka tu original, indigenous, ile za nyumbani. Hii ni indigenous ama hii ni ya exotic?
Hii ni nyumbani.
So this is indigenous.
Indigenous.
Okay. Your agriculture we are taught kuna kuanga zile exotic zile wanafanya cross breeding na kuna ile tu indigenous. So here this is indigenous. I don't know, but I'll do research. But he's saying this is indigenous. It's no cross breeding. Yes. So my friend, you have YouTube channel?
I don't have. I'm only planning to buy a phone next week.
Okay. I went to know me. I traveled a place called Sirare, Tanzania, to see Marwa. There's someone called Marwa. Watch him. The guy has a YouTube channel. He has over 500,000 subscribers. And he has built a big mansion of 10 rooms. You get just what inaitwa Marwa. Alafu amesaidia vijana pia wanafanya YouTube, wamejenga manyumba. Vijana wadogo tu kama wewe. Because subscribers, kama una over 1,000 subscribers, wanakutumia pesa. So today someone can send you 100,000, tomorrow 100,000. So that every day they're getting over 100,000.
That's what I want to do.
You start YouTube, even with any phone. So here you're getting how many liters? Yeah.
Hii lita mbili. 2 liters.
Only 2 liters. Oh, okay. So to get more milk, you need many. You have to have many cows to get. Okay. So I saw you preparing this. What were you feeding it? This one, on here. You're preparing its food. What is it eating? Mixture. I'm seeing here a mixture here. Okay.
I forget the name.
Okay. So this is the cow. It's getting a little bit startled. You see, it's eating. He made its mixture and it's eating while it's being milked. So it has given us 2 liters. It has given him 2 liters. And then in a month, over 60 liters. And 1 liter, Walter said 1 liter is how much?
70 bob.
70 bob. That is like $1. So you just do the math. 70 liters in a month, 1 cow. Which one going? Each one going maybe 90 liters in a month. Each one going for nearly $1. You do your math. So farming is good. So we continue with Walter, what is doing, mixing.
What?
So that's water for
milking.
Okay.
Evening.
For evening.
No.
So it has to be to feed to be milked. Okay. Wow. So you want to remove it. So let me show you how he's removing it. So he's removing it. So he stand here. So that's how it's going. So I like doing 360. He's opening. There are others inside there. So the other one is coming? Okay. So he's closing the paddock. So you see? So let's watch them. So you see? More. Look at the cows. Big cows. So this is the Frisian breeds. You see them? Hello, I'm back again. Welcome to Kenya Village Life. So we have been seeing how you are milking dairy cows, the Frisian breed, and you saw how it was done, how they were running 2 liters per cow, 9 liters per cow, 18 liters. If there are 2 cows, that's for a whole 2 days. So this is how people live in the villages. If you have cows, they are very productive, they earn you good money. So put in the comment box there, what cows do you have, what breeds do you use to get milk, and is milk production, or what we call milking cows, does it earn you money? Can you enter into that business? Can you enter into that venture? Please write there in the comment box and share with us. Will you buy cows and do milking? Is it something viable? Is it something that you can say, you know what, I want to leave my job or do it as a side hustle and earn money? Because these days, what is happening is that most young people are into agriculture, into farming. They earn good money. They don't sleep hungry. But if you're in a job 8 to 5, things become difficult. So tell us, can you venture into cow business, milk production, and selling? Share your views. Tell us some of the breeds that produce good milk. Is it Frisian? Is it other types of cows? Tell us in the comment box. Is agriculture a viable thing for the young people? Or do they want office jobs? Or can they do it as a side hustle? Please comment there in the dialogue box and share ideas, because life is about sharing ideas. And as we grow, we share lives or ideas on agriculture, we become better. It's a win-win situation for everyone, because agriculture now is the biggest, how can I put it? It's the biggest employer of young people. Many young people, like those ones who are milking the cows, have ventured into this area. They do good work, they earn money, and they make a living. Because at the end of the day, it's about making a living from agriculture. So that is just village life, Kenyan village life, how people survive in the villages by doing agriculture. So if you like what I've said, or you have liked this video, please send something small on that mobile M-Pesa, +254 769 729 327. I repeat again, mobile M-Pesa +254 769 729 327. This will support this channel so that we continue giving you more content about village life, how Africans live in the village, their daily activities, culture and dance, and what have you. So as I always say, Gwaheri ya kuonana, Gwaheri.